All right, good morning, everybody. Coffee and questions. What do you want to do today? Have a fun project. It's a quick tip. It's a fun project. It's something that will not take you very long to do. Again, you just got to get up off your butt, get out there, and have a little bit of fun with your free time. And this is a project that is not going to take you a long time. I saw it on one of the forums. I had a friend of mine said, hey, I'll give you a few bucks to make me one. I said, well, just, I'll do it cheap enough, dude. This is a fast, easy project, and I'll even show you how to do it. Come on by. So he swung by, and this is what we made. We made this very similar, but he took it home with him, so I didn't take a photograph of it, but I found another one on the web, which is where I got the idea from. And this is your quick tip of the day. Let me throw it up, and let's get after it. No long intros, remember? Here we go. Okay, let's start by taking a look at the one up here on the left. Say, well, that looks kind of cool. Well, how did you do that? Well, it's just rebar. Rebar costs next to nothing at Home Depot or Lowe's. He had some scrap laying around, saw these pictures, sent me the link. I looked at them. So I made a copy of these so we could have a quick discussion about this. Now, you may or may not even need to heat this stuff up. You're going to have to weld it, whether it's oxyacetylene, MIG, TIG, whatever whatever your preference. This stuff is easy to bend. I mean, you could put this in a vise and begin to bend this yourself, with a hammer playing around. And, you can kind of smooth off the ends if you had to cut them, round them off so nobody gets cut or whatever. And he made this creepy looking little hand or whatever you want to call it. I kind of laughed about it. It's a very simple one to do. You can make it out of just round bar stock, cold rolled steel. Go out to the steel supply place like I do, and I root through the scrap bins, and I get all kinds of scrap pieces of stuff because I don't want to buy 4x8 sheets. I don't want to buy 10, 20 foot lengths. You can come up with other materials and you can make the same thing. But I thought this was a real fast, easy kind of a project. And his son actually is the one that really wanted this out in the garage because he thought it was really cool. Younger kid. And so I told him, well, bring your son by too. We can all take a look at this. We can show your son a couple of things. This is a very simple project. It's easy to make, especially, if you have a kid that's really interested in wanting to begin to learn this stuff. They're very simple welds. You may not want him to weld particularly right at the moment, but depending on his age, and you can take a look and you can put this up anywhere in your garage you want. You could even, make it into a lot of different things. You wanted to make another one that's got like a tall post in the middle to where he could drop like a shop towel thing down onto the top of it and it would rest on the top of those fingers. He had his own design ideas after looking at this basic design. So it's just something to have some fun with. I know that this is, may not, be for everybody. They may think, oh, this is an ugly piece of crap. Okay. Don't make it. Real simple. But for other people, they might find it fun. Anyway, quick tip of the day, not a long video. And I'll see you folks again soon. Please click subscribe. And, I'll keep all these little projects coming. They're not all going to be for you. You're going to look at some of these and go, oh my God, and not even want to bother with it. Whereas other people are going to think, hey, yeah, I might get out there with my son today and see if he wants to try making one of these. It'll be fun and some quality time with your kids and have a little bit of fun at the same time. All right, click subscribe. I'll see you again soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.